Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hummer H2. I've already changed the engine oil and the oil filter, and I'll have links to that down below, or please check out the card right above. But now since the engine oil has been changed, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can change the engine oil life. Right now my engine oil life is 0%, so please follow along, and it's very quick and easy. Let's get started. So on the left side of our steering wheel are these two buttons. We're going to use them to navigate through the screen, and you are going to look for engine oil life. Here's mine, it's 0% right now, and to reset this we're going to press and hold down the arrow button. It's on the right hand side, and I'm going to hold it until it says oil life reset. Once you see the oil life reset, you can let go of the button. And that's it. Now my engine oil life is 100%. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video, and if it helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.